What makes us different here at the Vein Care Center is that this is what we specialize in. Everything we do in our office involves lasers. Whatever services and whatever technology we bring into the practice, we've done our research. If it works and we feel that it meets the needs and demands of our patients as well as this area, then we're going to bring it in.
Here at the Vein Care Center, we offer laser hair removal and electrolysis. Electrolysis is the only FDA-approved method for permanent hair removal. It's very effective.
You can actually combine laser hair reduction with electrolysis, or you can separate the two, depending on the area. The laser is less effective for white hair or fine blonde hair. Most electrologists that perform electrolysis choose to use it on the face, the ear, or smaller areas where you can get the white whiskers, or you have little white hairs on the ears that sometimes men become bothered with as they age. And it's also used for the upper lip, really anywhere on the face.
There's multiple treatments with electrolysis. First, I have to treat the hairs that I can see. So sometimes there may be some under the surface that haven't grown out yet. So typically when I first get a patient, I'll treat them once every week for about a month, and then we start spacing it out once once we get more control over the hair. So sometimes it can take up to 8 months to a year to get an area cleared, but it is permanent. For electrolysis, I ask that everyone has at least a 1/4 inch growth of hair that they want treated. What I do is I insert a fine needle into the hair follicle, which typically you don't feel because it's the diameter of the hair. I then apply an electrical current, which will destroy the follicle. Basically the same thing that the laser is doing, but it's each individual follicle that I'm treating. And then I pull the hair out, and that hair should never grow back in the follicle. I do it in 15-minute increments. It is a little more painful than the laser just because it is for 5 or 6 seconds in each follicle. So typically your nerves aren't able to handle more than 15 minutes. You can use a numbing cream, or we can prescribe you one. Before you come in, you would apply it, and then we would wipe it off and then treat the area. Post-treatment, you may experience redness and swelling in the follicle for a couple hours after treatment. For 24 hours after treatment, we ask that you don't use makeup, don't use harsh abrasive soaps. You can use alcohol or witch hazel. You just want to make sure you keep the follicle clean and so it doesn't get infected. In between your treatments for electrolysis and laser hair removal, we ask that you only shave the area or cut the hair. We want to make sure that when we treat you, there's hair in the follicle. We offer free screenings at the Vein Care Center for any procedure that we offer. We go over all the options, all the prices. Our main goal is to educate you so you can make a decision on what's best for you. You can check us out on our website, www.yourveincarecenter.com, our Facebook page, or Instagram.
For all of your corrective, preventative, and restorative needs, just call the Vein Care Center at 419-227-4472.